back in 2011, when I was happily doing my corporate job, I realized one day that I am earning 60% of the income that men around me are earning in similar roles. I was shattered. I felt really hurt and sad. I realized I needed support. If I need to grow, I really need support. So I started looking around, reaching out to people, different senior leaders, other people who are succeeding. Luckily, I got connected to some of the global CEOs. I started learning from them, started using some of the principles that they are using, started practicing, mastering these principles. That's when I realized these are very powerful principles, and with the help of these principles, I was able to crack an interview for one of my dream jobs with 100% hike. And this was a real breakthrough. I was very happy. Then I started looking around and I saw many of my own friends, my colleagues, my juniors, my cousins, many women are going through similar challenges, not knowing these principles, not being able to use this, and hence not moving ahead in the career, not growing. So that's where we started building Iron Lady as a community where women can be empowered and women can start moving towards their growth. So this was back in 2011. From 2011 to now, we have been able to build a top leading leadership platform for women along with other global CEOs. We have been practicing these breakthrough principles again and again so that women in this community can move ahead. Now it's a massive community. Now we are marching towards the purpose of million women at the top. If you are a woman who is looking at reaching the top, who is looking at support in reaching there, invite you to join our movement. Invite you to be one among the top million women leaders. Join our masterclass at Iron Lady and start your journey today.